TSI is one of the more unique classes that we offer here at Hinsdale Central. It's a student-run help desk. So every single student at Hinsdale Central has a Chromebook. When they need that Chromebook repaired or fixed, they'll come to this room to get it fixed. And we have students helping students, which I think is one of the most cool things that a student can do. They get real life hands-on experience in customer service. So they'll come to the front desk and they'll say, hey, my Wi-Fi is not working, for instance. What can I do to that? And we have our students help them through that process from start to finish. So they'll enter that data into a ticketing software, and then we'll have other students pick up that ticket and then repair that Chromebook, walking it through from start to finish.
I've always loved computers and technology, and I thought it was really cool that I can learn and fix a computer and see how a computer is made and what kind of stuff are inside a computer. Like, the most predominant problem we have is Wi-Fi cards. Wi-Fi cards are easy to fix, but they're really fun and exciting to do because you get to take apart the computer and you can see what's wrong with it. I
have several goals for students who take this class. The first goal, I want them to learn how to problem solve. Sometimes we will come in and or a student will come in and we'll see a Chromebook with a problem we haven't seen before. And that student is responsible for fixing that Chromebook by themselves. I'm there to guide them, but I want to see that student solve the problem themselves and try different things, and basically not giving up and getting through that through those obstacles and overcoming that struggle. That's kind of one of the things that I really like to see in the students.
So when you have another classmate that's there, they can always come and help you, and you kind of can figure out what you need to unscrew, what you need to unplug. And it would be hard at first, but then Mr. Norris and Mr. Kalal can also help you a lot, and that would really help you with what you could do and how you could fix it easily.
There's a lot of different ways that students can take what they learn from this class and apply it to the rest of their life. So one of the components of this class is online certifications that we offer. We offer certifications in programs like Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint. And these are things that kids can put on their resume for the rest of their lives. Like, I have kids who come back and they're like, I talked about how I got certified in Microsoft Excel in my job interview. I put it on my college application. Those are lifelong skills that are basically applicable no matter where you go.